Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to this podcast and video today. In this episode, I'm going to show you what I have created in Python with the idea to generate a QR code for the one-time password, so an OTP authentication. The idea of this is that you can share it with friends and family, so all of you have the same one-time code, that six-digit character that you can use with either Microsoft Authenticator or with your Google Authenticator, and then that way you can verify that the other person is who they say they are or that they are their friend. And this is just becoming something that we currently use in our daily life. And I thought of doing something as simple as this. Took me a bit of time today. Not an expert in Python. Obviously, I use on Copilot and ChatGPT, so thank you for AI for that. So let's start by taking a look at the code. I have written a Python script called QR code generator .py, and I will walk you through its functionality. So as you can see, there is the code. They generate a secret key. It generates a random secret key for OTP authentication. Encode the key, it encodes the secret key and construct the OTP authentication URI. That's what is called in there. Sounds like URL. And create the QR code. It uses the constructed URI to generate a QR code image. Now let's see when you run the script, then make sure that you have a Python 3 or at least or a version over Python 3 installed on your system. You will also need to install the QR library using PIP or PIP. Next, you can clone the repository or you can copy and paste, whichever you prefer. I have also put a um, text file explanation in there just to make it easy for everybody. And let's see what else we have in here. So yeah, you can navigate to the directory containing the script using the terminal. Well, if you're an expert doing that, please do that. Run the script using the command python 3 QR code generator.py or whatever you name your Python code, and this will generate a secret key and save the QR code image name OTP QR code.png in the same directory. And you can then share this QR code image with users who need to set up an OTP authentication for your services application. Or I have say, as I say, blah, blah, blah. As I have said before, the idea is to verify your friends and family, and this is going to become more common as time goes by. So we beat and defeat those deep fakes and many scams and many of the bad things that are currently happening in the world when you trust somebody and it happens that they are not who they say they are. So the idea is to combat that with this. You can share the QR code, as I have said, with the people that you want. And that's it for today and this episode. I hope that you found this explanation helpful, the video, the code, and everything in it and in between. Please remember to subscribe. Check out the code in the GitHub. I'll try to put the links in the description as well and give it a try yourself. Thank you, everybody, and ciao for now.